I just checked the S site this morning and the S Muskas are officially sold out. Hey guys, tell me in the comments, which one did you have growing up? I bought these because this is the specific color I had growing up, so I just had to get them this way for the nostalgia reason, right? So I'm curious, which ones did you guys have? Let me know in the comments. I feel like I saw the gray and blues a lot. The shoebox and this tissue paper. I mean, even just the little details like that. When you're unboxing it, you see the S logo, the Muska silhouette. As soon as you open, I have not seen these shoes, well, since 1997 when I first had them. But man, these things are amazing. I cannot wait to wear them. They have the little S drop there for the ollie pad. And I know some people have said that that's not exactly maybe where their ollies hit. For me, that's exactly where mine hit. Although I'm not gonna be skating these, so it doesn't really matter. But everything looks exactly the same except for this little tie they have here on the laces. But the bottom of these soles looks great too. It has a big S logo on the bottom. Even the tongue, man, the tongue is nice and thick. It has that S Muska logo on top with the oval. And of course, these do have the stash tongue. Just a great nostalgic shoe here. They got the S logo on the back heel there on the side with the reflector. I did notice, I've heard that maybe the mesh is different. It's a little bit harder of a rubber or some sort of material like that on the top heel there and on the side. It does, you know, come out a little bit. You know, if you're hitting some heel flips or something, if you're gonna skate these, I imagine you might get some protection there maybe. And I mean, even from afar, the mesh still looks the same. They have the strap on the back, ton of stitching. If you just look on the shoe, there's a ton of stitching. It's all double stitched too. Stitching all across the sole there. Everything looks super strong. I mean, the sole is stiff. That's the way a lot of these were made back in the day. But I mean, man, if you were to skate this, I imagine it'd be a beast. I mean, the shell toe has all the stitching there. It's rubber. And obviously the classic lace eyelets that are all rubber. Now it came with these gray laces too. I don't think I'm gonna use those. I'm probably gonna keep these laces with the little blue hits on there. I just really like how those look. Let's talk about the insoles. They have the classic Muska silhouette with the S logo, Muska wording going down vertically there. And something I noticed was inside underneath the insole, there's a little rubber extra cushion part. It peels up. Maybe someone else can figure that out and let me know in the comments. You can style these either way you want, right? You can keep the lace thing on there that they have, the new edition, and you could tuck them behind, or I've heard some people even tucking them in the stash pocket. You could do that. Or if you want, you could remove it. You could remove that whole thing. You could just give it a classic, you know, tie on the top. Just tie it like a regular shoe. Here, I'll give you a little comparison so you can see what they would look like tied versus tucked back, which is how a lot of us wore these back in the day. I at least would tuck my laces. You know, I'd put the puff sock in there. We get a big long tube sock to push up the shoe, make it even more puffy. I'd have a dedicated tube sock just for puffing my shoes, one for each shoe. But these look great. If I wanted to spend more money, I would get another pair to skate. It would be a trip to actually look down and see these on my feet and skate. That would be crazy. Maybe I'll just roll around on my board or something, you know, do some pop shove-its or something, maybe in a couple months. Something that's not gonna tear up the sides. Just to see that foot, you know, rolling on the board, that would be a real throwback for me. It's funny because it's something where I look at the shoe and I'm like, if these didn't have the nostalgia factor, would I rock them? If I just saw these on a wall, would I go, wow, I want those? I don't know. I honestly don't know. There's no way for me to separate that nostalgia, right? There's no way for me to separate it if I just saw this shoe in a shop. I want to say I would like it. I know back in the day, I had to have it. Seeing Fulfill the Dream and just Muska's part in there was amazing. The whole video is amazing. First time I saw that video, after it had been many years since I'd first seen it, it was just a trip. All those memories come back, you know, just skating with your friends out there. You have nothing else to do, out all day. Anyways, I've been thinking about doing a YouTube for a while. I don't know how often I'm gonna post, but what better shoe to start with than Muska? The Muska, man. This is all new to me, so if anyone would like me to try out a different shoe, do a nice unboxing video, I'll show you all those details up close. We're gonna make these products pop, because when I've been looking around for shoes online, it's hard to actually see up close and personal, right? So hopefully that's what I'm gonna bring to the table here. I also thought I might do some skate park tour videos, kind of document, you know, the layouts, sweeping drone shots, you see close-ups of each obstacle. So let me know what do you guys think about that? Probably too early for me to even mention people to ask me for things, but screw it. Shoot for the stars. Thanks, guys. This is Victor from RLS. I'm out.